If the story of Instagrammer Hitesha Chandrani and the Zomato delivery guy Kamraj filled you with rage, then here's yet another story that is far more toxic and reeks of unnecessary entitlement and high-handedness of another level. And this time, this story, which is more like Chori Upar Se Sina Zori, comes from Mumbai's Kandivali area. I'm sure a lot of you already know about it, as it happened 4 days back when a woman named Zainab Sheikh from Mumbai's Malwani area brutally assaulted a BMC marshal named Ashwini Gunjan only because she apprehended her for not wearing a mask. This at a time when the city is going through its worst corona phase ever. The woman Zainab Sheikh has now been booked by the Mumbai police under IPC section 188 for defiance of the order declared by the public servant, section 323 punishment for voluntarily causing injury, 506 which is criminal intimidation, and also under the Epidemic Act. But before we go any further, watch just how wild and unruly this woman gets against a BMC worker who is only doing her duty. This incident occurred at Dhanukarwadi in broad daylight on Saturday. So what do we know about this lady, Zainab Sheikh? Interestingly, just like Hitesha Chandrani, Zainab is also a makeup artist and a beautician, living in Malad's Malwani area. She was travelling in an auto rickshaw when the auto halted at a signal. The BMC marshal named Gunjan, Ashwini Gunjan, came up to Zainab and asked her why she wasn't wearing a mask. At first, Gunjan only asked her to simply wear the mask, but Zainab denied and in turn tried to slap and push the BMC worker. After she misbehaved with Gunjan, she even tried to grab her and pulled her by her hair and refused to let go. She even started kicking and punching Gunjan with her fist. Thankfully, some passers-by intervened and rescued the BMC worker Gunjan, and by then, the local police also reached the spot and arrested Zainab Sheikh. Friends, this is the state of our country and our city Mumbai, where people like these represent everything that is wrong with the humanity, and also they are the reason why each one of us and our families are suffering today and dying today due to the rising coronavirus cases. I live in the UAE. Here, the fine for not wearing a mask is 3,000 dirhams. That is close to 60,000 rupees. And in Mumbai, the fine is mere 200 rupees. But even then, there are people like Zainab Sheikh who neither want to wear the mask nor pay the fine. They want to be defiant and do whatever it takes to put themselves and others at risk. This is wrong and criminal at so many levels. Zainab Sheikh is currently in the custody of Charkop police, and soon a court might just give her a bail. But would she have learned her lesson? That is the big question. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe if you find my content worth it. But as always, thank you so much for watching.